Good day children, Sai Ram. Welcome back once again to your grammar class. Today we will start with a new chapter. Chapter 2, Articles. What do you see in this slide children? You see three objects. A book, a pen and a box. Here you see a river, a house and a horse. Now in this slide, the first picture there is an egg, then there's an ant and there's an orange. Here you see an elephant, an umbrella and an apple. Now here the pictures are named the rose, the boy and the girl. Here you see the table, the chair and the lion. Now in all the slides above, we have seen that there is a, an and the placed before the nouns. Now the article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Now what is a consonant children? Yes, all the alphabets excluding the vowels. Now which are the vowels? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So all the alphabets excluding the vowels are called consonants. Okay. The article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Like I told you, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So the article an is used before a word which starts with A, E, I, O, U, which are vowels. Okay. Now the articles A and an are placed before nouns. Okay. Like we saw in the pictures, A and an were placed before the nouns. The nouns could be persons, animals or birds, places and things. And the articles A and an are called indefinite articles. Okay, read the following sentences. Okay, the first sentence. This is the house that Jack built. Now here the house refers to a particular house. Okay, a particular specific house. Second sentence. The sun rises in the east. Now here the sun is a star itself. It is one of its kind and that is why you say the sun. Third sentence. The man is standing at the bus stop. Here the man is referred to a particular man. Fourth sentence. The lion is king of the jungle. Here the lion is referred to all lions. That is, it is referred to a particular clan and that is why it is mentioned as the lion. Okay. So the is a definite article, means if you are talking about a specific person or thing, that's when you use the definite article the. For example, the teacher gave homework to the students. Okay, so when we speak of a particular person or thing, we use the definite article the. Okay, then when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole clan, like the example we saw about the lion. So you use the when you indicate a whole clan. Example, when an animal is referred to as a class, then it takes the article the. Like we saw in the example, example where I mentioned about lion. For example, the tiger is a ferocious animal. Now here, all tigers are being talked about as a class of animal. In such cases, we use the before the name of the animal. Similarly, we use the with the unique things in nature. It is used before the names of oceans and seas. For example, the Bay of Bengal, the Pacific Ocean. Then rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Then mountain ranges. For example, the Sahyadris, the Nilgiris. Then you use the for famous buildings also. For example, the Red Fort, the Lotus Temple. Then newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Indian Express. Sacred books. Sacred books, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible. Okay. Now things that are only one of their kind. For example, the sun, the moon. Now there is only one sun, only one moon. So we use the before nouns that are only one of their kind. Okay. Then we use the with superlatives. Okay, we will be studying superlatives in the later chapters, but remember for now that superlatives are the greatest degrees of comparison. For example, cleverest, tallest. Okay, so these are the examples of superlative degree. Now here the cleverest, let me read the examples for you. The cleverest boy in the class is Ajay. So here the superlative degree is cleverest. So you use the before the superlative degree. This is the best book for grammar. So here the superlative degree is best. So you use the before the superlative degree. We use the with ordinals. Now ordinals are numbers denoting a position. They denote a position. For example, first, second, third and so on. Okay. So let me read the examples for you. He was the first man to arrive. So here the ordinal is first. So you use the before the ordinal first. He was the first man to arrive. Then second example. The sixth chapter of the book is very interesting. So here the ordinal is sixth. Okay, so you use the before the ordinal sixth. Okay. We use the before musical instruments. For example, he plays the flute. So here the musical instrument is flute. So you use the definite article the before the musical instrument flute. Second example, she played the violin beautifully. So here the musical instrument is violin. So you use the before the musical instrument violin. We use the as an adverb with comparatives. Okay. Now comparatives are the middle degrees of comparison. We saw it in superlatives. Now here comparative is the middle degree of comparison. Okay. Then now here the first example, the more the merrier. So more and merrier are the comparatives, and the is used before them as an adverb. Second example, the more they get, the more they want. So here also more is the comparative degree and the is used before them as the adverb. Okay. Now let's proceed further to do a quick activity. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the in the following sentences. Hari is dash good boy in dash class. Yes, children, think what will come, which article will come here? Yes. Hari is a good boy in the class. Second sentence, dash Bhagavad Gita is dash sacred book. Think, children. Yes. The Bhagavad Gita is a sacred book. Third sentence, dash sun rises in dash east. Yes. Yes. The sun rises in the east. Fourth sentence, Sheila is dash honest girl. Yes. Sheila is an honest girl. Fifth sentence, Himalayas are dash highest mountains. Yes. Himalayas are the highest mountains. Next sentence, sixth, I saw dash elephant in dash circus. Yes. I saw an elephant in the circus. Seventh sentence, we were the first to reach dash school. Yes, children. Which article will come here? Yes. We were the first to reach the school. Eighth sentence, dash Japanese are dash brave people. Yes. Which article will come here, children? The Japanese are a brave people. Ninth sentence, Seema gave me dash banana and dash orange. Yes, children. Yes. Seema gave me a banana and an orange. 10th sentence, dash lion is dash ferocious animal. Yes. The lion is a ferocious animal. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood the concept of articles. In the next class, we will be continuing with the exercises based on articles. Okay, for now, solve the assignment that I have given and meet you in the next class. Thank you, children.